brush. I didn't bring a timer. Now we're gonna have to get a 2-minute. Every day, twice a day, for 2 minutes. Put your hand down, please. Shush. This is not easy. This is not fun. This is real life. Let's spit. Okay, thank you. Come on back. Done. Everything looking bad. Come on. Things couldn't be worse. We still do this. We still got each other.
It's something that women have responded to for thousands of years. Well, tell me. You've got to do this.
Okay.
What is that? That is the peck pop of love. Now go on and throw a berry. No. Go on and throw a berry. There's some right behind you. Grab one and throw. Don't be afraid they're not going to bite. Grab a berry.
Good. Good.
Boom.
Brush. I forgot my sundial, but put my timer on. Okay, open. Every day, twice a day, for 2 minutes. See you. Okay, cool. Bring your teeth together, babe. Like that. Spit. Very good. Open. Common misconception. When I was growing up, we used to keep the water on the entire time we were brushing, even in the army. So we stop. Shout out to Sergeant Doug Deal for always saying that. This is not easy. This is not fun. This is real. There are no excuses. None. Done. Loss. It's long enough. Try our best. Every day and everything that we do. But it starts right here. Give yourself the best effort before you give it to the world. Done.